Everyone, I'm Vanessa Perez. I'm a recruiter with Micron. I was so proud when I learnt yesterday from two different meetings about the work that McKenzie Stewart's doing. McKenzie's an operations industrial engineer down at Micron's Fab 2 facility in Utah. And, you know, he's using all of his knowledge about manufacturing operations and process improvement to really make a major contribution to the COVID-19 effort. He's got a 3D printer and he's been 3D printing and making medical shields. And I just want y'all to learn more about what McKenzie's doing. So thanks, McKenzie. Show us this phenomenal operation.
I started with a prototype model and found some other people that were interested in. They started helping me print as well that are in my neighborhood. I've printed about initially about 50 that we were able to donate to Washington Hospital, and then the most recently I found a contact that was able to for Mountain Star Hospital here in Utah, a local hospital here, and we were able to just today donate 100 additional ones after another week.
So amazing. And we know that they're going to good use, right? Can we have a look at the 3D printer working over your shoulder there?
So right now this is printing one mask, but it'll be stacked. So it's probably almost ready to start stacking. And so it's going to be additional 3D printed stacks, and that'll be able to separate with a putty knife.
You found that one was taking 70 minutes to print. Now you've found a template that allows you to stack. Is it 8, did you say?
So this one this one I'm just doing with 8. I could probably fit about 20 in one, but figured I can break it up in little pieces. This is mainly helping me so I can print overnight and get additional output.
Do you have the finished visor there handy so we can see what that looks like?
So the 3D printed is this blue piece, and then I find like a visor or a laminated shield or overhead projector shield to get that clear portion. And I just three hole punch it and then assemble it. There's a lot of steps that I need to take in order to make sure that it's sanitized, make sure that the hospital and the nurses and the doctors that are using them are healthy and safe.
Well, I hope, you know, we're so proud of you here. We're proud of you in the larger Micron family. And we're proud of you in America. And I know when more people see what you're doing, they'll want to be part of it. So let's get this up to some others and see how we might be able to scale this and get some more support for you. Thank you so much for what you're doing.
Thank you for providing this opportunity.
Fantastic. I'll talk to you soon.